You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this character from League of Legends, Riot Games. League of Legends, pronounced as, usually in English, Vi. If you want to learn more character names from League of Legends, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. This one, some may say it as V. Do you pronounce it as V and Y? Let us know in the comments. It's usually pronounced Vi. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.